Hey everybody, my name is Juan Lombana and I am the co-founder of Agent and Wealth, but I'm also part of the Wolfpack team here at eXp. Now, in this video, I want to show you how you can retire fast with eXp by leveraging the revenue share program, okay? Now, I'm going to do all the math on how you can do it if you wanted to, how you can retire if you wanted to in the next year, but I'm also going to show you and do the math on how to retire the old school way, which I'm telling you is not a good way to do it. All right, so let's jump onto the video. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to retire fast with revenue share. If you don't know, eXp gives you the opportunity to make some passive income through revenue share. So I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to do the math here for you, so I can actually show you the difference between you trying to retire the old school way with you retiring by leveraging revenue share. All right. So if we were to talk to a financial advisor, most of them will tell you that you will need between $800,000 and $1 million saved up if you want to retire. Okay. So what I did is I actually put 900,000. It's kind of in the middle between 800 and $1 million, right? Now, if you decide to have a 4% annual distribution, so every year you will take 4% out of those $900,000, okay? That would be around $36,000 per year, which is around $3,000 per month, okay? Now, I don't know about you, but $3,000 per month to retire is definitely tight, okay? Especially by the time you retire, okay? So, this is what the average agent is doing to hopefully retire. Let's say that the average agent is making $100,000 per year, okay? And of course, we got to pay the government, let's say 28% average. That will leave you with $72,000 per year that you can actually use, right? Now, let's say that your living expenses per month are $4,000, okay? And I know that a lot of people have higher and lower, but let's say for the example that I'm doing right now, $4,000 a month on expenses. For 12 months, you will actually be spending $48,000 per year for your living expenses, okay? So, if you made $72,000 after tax, right? $100,000 minus tax, $72,000. And out of those $72,000, you use $48,000 for your living expenses. That means that you're going to have $24,000 of disposable income, okay? Now, if, for example, again, this is just like an example. Let's say that you don't touch that money, you don't go on vacation, you don't eat out, you don't go to the movies. Again, you keep all $24,000 of your disposable income and you save it for retirement. Of course, for the example, we said that we have to save $900,000 to retire. It's gonna take you 37.5 years, you saving $24,000 a year for you to retire, so you can actually have a $3,000 a month living expenses once you retire, okay? Now, as you can see, this, I don't want to do this. It's a lot of work for not much in return, right? Imagine you working until retirement, saving every single penny that you have of disposable income so you can retire, and it'll take you 37 and a half years. Of course, that's something that I don't want to do. The cool thing about this is that there is an option, an easier option, that you can actually replace your retirement income in about 1 year with eXp. So let me show you how that works. Just like I mentioned before, eXp gives you an opportunity to earn some passive income through revenue share. So eXp is broken down, the revenue share is broken down into 7 tiers. Okay, we're not going to be talking about all 7. We're going to talk about the top 2 tiers. Okay, tier number 1 and tier number 2. So let's say that you join eXp, right? During this year, you're going to bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 realtors underneath you, okay? And let's say that all these 6 realtors are actually capping agents. What does that mean? It means that they actually sold enough homes to pay $16,000 back to eXp. Okay, that's what capping agents are. So let's say during the first year, you brought 6 team members to your team underneath you. All these 6 members are capping agents. Okay, now eXp, what it does is it will give you up to $2,800 per capping agent. So that would be $2,800, $2,800, $2,800, $2,800, right? So $2,800 per agent per year, which is $16,800 per year. Now, the cool thing about this, let's say, and again, we're not going crazy here. Each of these people, each of these agents brought 1 agent underneath them. And let's say that each of those, it's a capping agent also. Okay? Now, in tier 2, instead of getting $2,800 per capping agent, you will actually get $3,200 per capping agent per year. Okay, so that's $3,200, $3,200, $3,200, $3,200, which is actually $19,200 per year. So as you can see, you made $16,000 out of the 6 people that you brought. Each of those brought only 1 agent. That's $19,000. So if we were to add $16,000 and $19,000, that's $36,000 per year passively, because this is extra on top of what your commissions you get from buying or selling homes. Okay, so this is passively. This is where you're actually leveraging all these agents' time and money. Okay, so you're actually getting the $36,000 passively. And if you think about it, $36,000 a year, that's actually $3,000 per month if you were to retire, right? That's how you're actually making $3,000 per month by doing it this way. Or you can actually do all the savings, all this stuff for 37 and a half years, so you can get the $3,000 per month to retire. So this is the hard way of doing it. This is what the average agent is doing. Or you can do it this way, which is the easier way of doing it and way quicker, because you can actually do this the first year with eXp if you put your mind into it, right? So hopefully this math kind of gave you a little bit of understanding on how you can actually retire fast, because you're going to be able to collect passively the same amount of money per month if you do it this way, or if you do it this way, which of course I don't want to do this for 37 and a half years to retire. Okay, if you have any more questions, what I want you to do is just book a call. There's going to be a link below this video somewhere. Jump on a call with me, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's talk about it and see how we can actually help you retire fast by building your revenue share. Okay, I know eXp is not for everybody, but if you're open-minded, you want to hear about it, there's nothing to lose. If you decide to continue and learn more about eXp, we can move on to the next step. If this is not for you, that's okay. I still got to talk to you. I still got to learn about what you're all about, which is a win-win situation. All right, besides that, hopefully this helped, and I'll talk to you on the next one.